Hi there, this is Penelope. This is question 8 from the recent MG5004 test 2 for 2020. Now, it is a substitution question, but it's not the substitution like question 7 was. It's a trigonometrical substitution where you replace everything by t's and stuff, and then you do some algebra. So what we need to do is we need to let sine x equal to, this is on your sheet, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t squared, 1 plus t squared, and that t is equal to 10 x over 2. And all of these just come from the diagram of tan x over 2 and the tangent thereof. But you do need to find dx by dt. Oh, no, actually, you're given that. So, putting it all in together, then we have, and it's just algebra, 2 over 1 plus t squared over 1 plus 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared plus 2t over 1 plus t squared dt. And then it's a matter of fractions, adding fractions, and then dividing fractions, or dividing by fractions. And you end up with, once you've done all the fraction work, you end up with 1 over 1 plus t. And that's just a straightforward integration at that stage. It's equal to the natural log of 1 plus t. But you didn't have t in the first place, so you need to put it back in terms of x. So now the integral of dx of 1 plus cos x plus sin x dx is natural log of 1 plus tan x over 2 plus c.